Listen, one of the cultural things that annoys me so much is the idea that in Ramadan, when a woman isn't fasting because it's her time of the month, or somebody's not fasting because they're sick, that they should hide away and eat in secret. No!
Who told you that?
Not only is it stupid, but it's also counterproductive, because there's a hadith about it. The Prophet ﷺ, he once went to visit Ammara, and she offered him some food. Now naturally, the Prophet ﷺ, he doesn't want to eat alone, so he gestured for her to eat as well, and she says, I'm fasting. Now does the Prophet ﷺ turn around, hide the food, refuse the food, walk away and eat in secret? No, he gives her this advice. The Prophet ﷺ says, the angels seek forgiveness for the fasting person when somebody who isn't fasting eats in their presence until they're finished eating. Basically what I'm saying is, if you're a sister and you're not fasting, you ain't gotta hide, just do a whole mukbang if you want. It might count, I don't know.